an explosion really bad with the on a 588. Guy next to me just got a hand on Zorro for 1820. Pretty phenomenal. Hopefully this turns into my cafe. I'm gonna do 5 games. See if we can get just ships. Start with $100 in this machine. Come on, food dogs. Oh, got a re-trigger. So we have 3. Two more games left. Oh, why can't those food dogs line up? Oh my god, I got the food dogs. Look at those. Wow, that is beautiful, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. That's pretty phenomenal. Six-way pay. $377. We love a gold drum bonus. Alright, we're at $3.99. I'm gonna play this to $3.50. It would be amazing to have that pot close if we could. Close that. Yeah, I'm gonna play to 300 actually. Second thought. Come on, close. I just want to see that pot close. Would be amazing. Come on, close. I can add one more food dog. Oh, why it's not closing? Come on, close. That's gotta make you close. More spins left here. Alright, guys. Oh, I can do a 288, I think. Alright. So we got $100 in this machine, cashing out at $302.30. Alright, guys. So I just had to end up taping this. I ended up getting full trees. I started with a $50 ticket in here. Ended up getting $216 on just that line hit on Dancing Drum Explosion. Pretty cool line hit. That brings me up to $220. It's gonna play this down to $200, see if we can get a bonus or something here with any kind of luck. I was not expecting to get that. Yeah, we'll actually play to 175 live here. I want to see if I can get a bonus on this. The regular version of this is somewhat my nemesis, so we'll see if we can't get this one to do something for us. Otherwise, we love that. Oh, maybe we can stay above 200. Come on. I did get the pot to close once, but it was only the mini. Come on, dancing drums. We got ingots, $18 hit, not bad. Kudos. I think the trees are the second best, if I'm not mistaken. Can't remember. Come on. Oh my gosh. Hate when that happens. Sorry, the button is not working on this, so I'm having to press the bet button. Hopefully we can get something here in the next $10 to keep us in. Does not look that way. Alright guys, so I confessed, I stayed, ended up getting the drum bonus. I am gonna go with 5 just to keep myself safe here. Played down to 130. Hopefully this will get us back to 200 and we can oh, we're gonna get a retrigger. Oh, we got the pot close. That's good. We like that. We're gonna do our signature, the panda swipe. Ooh, minor. That's not bad. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh wow, ships for days. What is the total on that? So, I can't tell what the total is. Must be good because it's coin show. Oh, 48.36. Alright, that's not bad. Oh, I got a retrigger. Additional spins awarded. So we have another, looks like 4 spins. We'll take it. I'm glad I stayed. As much as I always yell at Panda for doing that. Quincho. $72. Wow, guys, this is not a bad bonus. Sorry, I'm not even showing this. The screen is so big because it's one of the bigger ones. Oh my gosh. I had one more row of food dogs. Close. Alright guys. Well still, that is not a bad bonus. Look at that. 283 even. Wow. That is not bad. What does that put us at? 414. I'm just going to play this down to 400. See if we can get something to happen again. And then I promise you I will cash out. We got ships. coins. Oh, close it. Couple more spins here. Won't close. Alright guys, so we had a $50 ticket in here, cashing out at 4:02:17 on Dancing Drums Explosion. And I am cashing out.